might ask if you can lose weight when you don't give up snacking. Snacks can be key to weight loss if you select complete food choices with lots of proteins and nutrients. Others can help you curb your craving for unhealthy foods all day long. There are 5 snacks to add to the diet, which are easy for weight loss. 1. Peanut butter and apples. Apples and peanut butter taste great together. Fiber and polyphenol antioxidants are abundant in apples that improve intestinal health and reduce the risk of heart disease. Peanut butter can have more heart health benefits. HDL, a good cholesterol, has been shown to increase, and LDL, a bad cholesterol, and triglyceride have been decrease. That said, the calories of peanut butter are very high. Although this has not traditionally been associated with weight gain, it is often moderately consumed. 1 medium apple with 1 tablespoon, 15 grams of natural butter of peanut offers a good balance between sweet taste and crisp and creamy textures below 200 calories. 2. Dark chocolate and almonds. Dark chocolate and almonds make a delicious snack, fun and simple. Dark chocolate is filled with flavonols that can lower blood pressure and decrease risk of heart disease if the chocolate is at least 70% cocoa solid. Almonds have high levels of monounsaturated fat and beneficial effects on the balance of blood sugar. Studies show that appetite will decrease and you can lose weight. The magnesium is high in both dark chocolate and almonds. 1 ounce, 30 grams, each, depending on the quality of the cocoa, contains approximately 300 calories in total. 3. Hard-boiled eggs. Eggs are one of the healthiest and weight loss-friendly foods that you can eat. They pack a lot of protein along with K2 and B12 vitamins. Eggs are incredibly full and will reduce the amount of calories you consume, in turn, helping you lose weight. While they have been considered for years to be high in cholesterol, recent studies have shown that moderate consumption of egg does not have an effect on the risk of heart disease. There are about 140 calories and 13 grams protein found in 2 large, hard-boiled eggs. 4. Beef jerky. Beef jerky is high in protein, making a good snack. However, choosing the right form is crucial. Many beef jerkies are filled with preservatives and sugar. Beef jerkies don't normally contain sugar, but others are made from poor quality beef and have other questionable ingredients. Look for grass-fed beef jerkies made with the fewest possible ingredients. Beef fed with grass has more good omega-3 fatty acids than beef fed with grains. Most beef jerkies contain about 7 grams of protein per ounce. 5. Canned sardines and salmon. Canned fish is a safe, fantastic snack that doesn't need refrigeration. The omega-3 fatty acids, salmon and sardine, are exceptionally high, decreasing the risk of heart disease and other health issues. Fish is an excellent source of protein, potassium and vitamin B12 that promotes weight loss. Even many varieties of fishes contains magnesium. A part of salmon or sardines with a 3.5 ounce, 100 gram, weight has 17 to 23 grams of protein and 130 to 180 calories. In conclusion, when the next craving arrives, try whole foods rather than highly refined, fattening alternatives. With some safe and nutritious options available, you can stop appetite and increase weight loss. Do you agree with our list? Join the discussion and let us know in the comments what you think. If you'd like help putting these cool ideas to work in your fitness journey, get in touch via the link below. We'd love to help you.